How to fix Instagram DM glitch. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the DM glitch of your Instagram. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your settings application first, scroll below and tap onto apps. In here, search for Instagram and go on to storage. You will see storage under usage. Tap onto your storage and clear the cache. Now once you have cleared your cache, get logged into your Instagram account and tap onto your profile on your bottom right. To fix your DM glitch, let's go ahead and switch your personal account to your business account and revert again. Now let's go ahead and tap on three bar icon, scroll below. Under for professionals, tap on account type and tools. Here tap on switch to professional account, tap on to continue and choose a random display on profile option. Once you do so, refresh your page. Now this is a creator mode. Let's go ahead and switch it back into personal account. The process is same. Tap on three bar icon. Under for professionals, tap on creator tools and controls. Tap on switch account type, tap on switch to personal account, then confirm switch to personal account. Now let's go ahead and refresh your page. As you do so, this shall fix your DM glitch problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.